Here at Konsew, we've got the Pegasus M952 3-thread overlocker machine that we picked up second-hand and fully serviced and maintained it back to a brand new condition. We'll now give you a small demonstration of how the sewing machine works. You've got the start-stop button located underneath the table there. And as you can see, you've got a pedal and at the feet to move the presser foot up and down. And as you can see, you get perfect stitches every time. And also included in this machine comes a pack of needles, an instruction book, and an Allen key screwdriver in order to be able to change the needles. For any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact us, and if there's any machine you'd like to see, please drop a comment below. Thank you very much.